In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have PayPal connected and ready to accept payments right inside your funnels. First, head to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account since payments and integrations are managed per location. If you work with multiple brands, double-check that you've selected the one you want to connect. Next, open the PayPal website and create your account if you don't already have one. If you do, simply sign in. A quick tip here: use a PayPal account that can accept payments. A business account is usually best because it unlocks more checkout features and reduces friction for customers. Complete any required setup steps inside PayPal so it's ready to be authorized. Back in GoHighLevel, navigate to the Payments section from the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for processors, products, and invoices. From there, go to the Integrations tab. You'll see a list of payment options. Locate PayPal and click Connect. You may see one or more prompts to continue the connection. Click Connect again wherever it's requested. During this process, you'll be redirected to PayPal to authorize GoHighLevel. Approve the connection, and when you're returned to GoHighLevel, confirm that PayPal now shows as connected. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page. With PayPal connected, it's time to use it in a funnel. Go to Sites in the left menu, then open Funnels. Choose the funnel where you want to accept payments. Once inside, open the funnel step you'll be selling from and click Payments. This is where you'll associate products, select your payment processor, and control checkout options. Make sure PayPal is available and enabled for the step you're working on. If you don't see it, verify the integration is connected at the location level and that you're editing the correct funnel and step. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your PayPal and GoHighLevel logins open in the same browser during connection so the authorization completes without errors. If a connect window doesn't appear, temporarily disable pop-up blockers. If your PayPal account is new, finish any verification steps in PayPal so payments aren't delayed. And remember that currency settings in PayPal should match what you expect to charge in GoHighLevel. That's it. You've opened your GoHighLevel dashboard, set up or signed into PayPal, connected PayPal in the Payments Integrations area, and then enabled it inside your funnel's payment settings. Save your changes, publish your funnel, and you're ready to take payments with PayPal.